everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing two simple Halloween looks, so I hope you enjoy. So firstly I'm starting off with the Devil Smoky Eye, and for this I'm taking the Morphe 350 M palette on a Real Techniques blending brush and just taking a orangey brown shade into the crease. Then I'm taking this reddy shade on a bigger blending brush and taking that into the crease as well. I'm now taking the OPV Beauty London Rainbow Splash palette and taking that red shade right into the crease again and a little bit on my lid. I'm now taking the blending brush that we first used to blend out any harsh edges. Here I'm taking a packing brush and just taking the black out of the palette and placing that all over my lid and then blending it into the red. As you can see, I'm packing a lot of black onto this, but don't worry, we are now going back through with the blending brush and blending all of that out. Now I'm taking my Maybelline eyeliner and placing it through the waterline. I'm now taking the Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner and creating a sharp wing. Here I'm taking the NYX Vivid Bright red eyeliner and creating the devil tail. This bit was so hard to do while I was trying to look in the mirror and obviously capture it on camera. This gives the effect of the red eyeliner wrapping around the black eyeliner. I'm now taking the Ted Baker lip liner and placing that into my waterline. I do realise that this is a lip liner, but I've never used it as a lip liner, so I'm just using it as an eyeliner. I'm now taking this pencil brush and taking the red out of the Rainbow Splash palette and placing that on top of the eyeliner just to make it more vibrant. Next I'm using this little blending brush and going back into the Morphe palette and taking that red shade right underneath my eye just to bring the eye look together. Now going back in with the pencil brush but with the black shade from the Rainbow Splash palette, I'm taking that like I did on the top of my eye but underneath my eye and blending it all together. Now I'm curling my eyelashes just to get that extra definition, because in this look today I didn't use false eyelashes. So now I'm taking my Baby Roll mascara, which is one of my favourites. This just gives my eyelashes so much volume and length. I love it. Here I'm using my Zoeva eye pencil to draw the devil horns onto the top of my eyebrow. At this point I was drawing two horns on each eyebrow, but then in the end I decided one horn on each eyebrow looked better. You'll see throughout the next few clips that I do eventually wipe the other horn off and just stick with the two. So now I've done the outline of the horns, I am going to fill them in with the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner just to make them really vibrant red, and also go over them with the red eyeshadow just to set them in place. And this is how the horns turned out. Next, I'm taking my MAC red lipstick in Russian red. I love this colour red, it's so vibrant and bright. And just applying that onto my lips. So here is the finished makeup look. I really did enjoy doing this one. It was really fun. It is the more complex one out of the two because obviously of all of the fine lines and everything and the horns, getting it all right, but I did really enjoy it. So now we're moving on to the deer makeup look. This one's really simple and quite easy to do. It doesn't take long at all. So the first thing I'm doing for this makeup look is just brightening up my face because it looked a bit pale. So I've just got my Stila bronzer, Stila, however you say it, and taking that on my Morphe brush and just putting that all around the perimeter of my face and on my cheekbones. I'm also taking that underneath my chin and my jawline just to give that a bit of extra definition. Also just placing that bronzer on my NARS Eater brush, down the bridge of my nose and on the tip. Now I'm taking my Mary Luminizer, one of my favourite highlights, on my Morphe highlighting brush. I just love how pigmented this highlighter is. So I'm taking that on the top of my brow bone as well, down the bridge of my nose, and I don't really know why I put it on the tip of my nose because I'm covering it up in a little while anyway. So now I'm taking the Tartelette in Bloom palette, and with the brown shade I'm dipping my Morphe M200 and just blending that all over my eyelid and mainly focusing it in my crease. Now I'm taking my smoky eyeliner again and just lining my waterline. Taking my Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner yet again. This is my favourite eyeliner to do my wings with, it's just so precise. Eyeliner was definitely on my side today because it just went perfectly for me. Normally it takes me 1 or 2 attempts. Here I'm just taking the eyeliner into the inner corner. This was so hard. I've never ever done this before. They are a little bit wonky, so just excuse that, but like I said, I've never done it before, so. Here I'm taking my NYX white eyeliner and just popping that in my waterline. And taking the Bad Girl Bang mascara and applying that to my lashes. For lashes, I'm taking the Top Lash eyelashes. I got these from Amazon. They are one of my all-time favourite eyelashes. I just love the way that they look. And to apply these, I am using my Duo eyelash glue, which is my all-time favourite. So this is what the eyelashes look like. Now I'm taking the Zoeva Black Box Soft Kohl eyeliner and just drawing my little deer nose. At this point I did realise that I haven't put any mascara on my bottom eyelashes, which I did forget to do, so please excuse that, but the look still looked okay. Now I'm taking that eyeliner also on my top lip just to create the deer lip effect. Now I'm taking the Jeffree Star Mini Liquid Lipstick in Skin Tight. I was going to leave my lip plain, like with nothing on it, but it just didn't look right, so I thought I really need a pale nude. So that is what it looks like. Now I'm taking the Tartelette in Bloom palette again and just taking this really pale white shade on a brush that I got in my Naked 3 palette and just creating the deer spots. Whilst doing this, I did get a lot of fallout from the shadow and I didn't realise, so just excuse that all on my eyebrows. So here's the finished makeup look. I really do love how this turned out. It is definitely just a simple Halloween look. Obviously it's not a scary Halloween look, but some people just like to go for the more simpler things like me. I really hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it. If you do enjoy my videos, please don't forget to click that subscribe button. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!